Hey guys, it's Nikhil from Bulletproof Teams. A common mistake I see business owners make is they don't spend enough time in generating leads and understanding who they really want to serve through their business, who they want to deliver their product and service to. And I know this for a fact because I have done it when I was working in my family business. My father has been in garment export industry for over 40 years, and I worked with him for over 10 years. And in that entire period there was no concentration, no focus on lead generation. In fact, everybody who I met in the industry, and my father's friends who have equal amount of experience, ranging from 2 decades to over 4 decades, lead generation was never talked about. We had an idea of the brands we want to serve and the products we want to create for those brands, but there was no focus on going deep into understanding how lead generation works, why it's very important, and then how it can help us boost profits. So let's understand that a bit, right? If you're not generating leads, you're not connected to your market, and when you're not connected to your market, you do not have the tools and the information that you need to serve the market in the best way possible through your product or service. So lead generation's primary focus is to have an effective marketing engine running in your business. And when your effective marketing engine is in place, you're understanding what the market needs are and what are the gaps in the market, and then you can serve those gaps through your product or service. Now, at a very basic level, if you're not generating leads on a daily basis, you are saying no to revenue, and you're saying no to sales, and basically you're saying no to profits. So lead generation lead to sales, and sales lead to revenue, and revenue is where it leads to profit. So your business, essentially lead generation is the lifeline of your business, marketing is the lifeline of your business. Now I'm going to share my screen a little bit in a second over here and explain this to you in a simple model on the three things that you should be doing to understand lead generation and to actually create a solid flow of leads for your business. So first of all, let's understand, right? We are doing all this to boost our profits. And typically what happens is the biggest mistake business owners make is, or the challenge they have is, they have a poor lead flow. And what business owners need instead is quite simply a rich lead flow, so that you don't have to think about where you're going to find these people that you can serve best through your product and service, and who will pay you the value that you truly deserve. It's not, it's about moving away from the competition and creating your little blue ocean over there. So three things that you need to be doing to make sure that you have a rich lead flow, and that you are always protecting the profits of your business and boosting your profits. So the first thing is, be very clear on who you're going to serve. Who means the person that you're going to serve. It could be it's basically called avatar, or it's also called your target audience. The biggest mistake business owners make is they don't spend enough time on understanding who they want to serve. And you already have this data with you. If you've been in business, for a good amount of time, look at the customers you've been serving, and you'll find a common pattern into the kind of customers that have given you the best results, who keep buying from you again and again and again. So be very clear on who you're going to serve. This means get clear on their age group, which city do they live in, what's their lifestyle, where do they hang out. Get clear on exactly who do you serve. Second thing that we need to work on is, what problem will you solve for them? What are the problems that they are facing right now, and how your product or service can fill in those gaps? How can you enhance their business, their life through your product or service? Spending this is the most critical element over here. Once you understand what your product or service can do for them, how you can add value to their business, to their life through your products and services, that's where you get the profit that you truly deserve. So be very clear on what are their problems and how you can solve those problems. Now, as a business owner, when you're getting into this and when you get clear on the who, sometimes you will come across problems that you may feel that you can solve them, but it's not your core strength. My suggestion to you is to avoid that. Don't go into a direction where you can't fully satisfy the needs of your target audience, of your marketplace. Why? Because even though it might be exciting as a business opportunity, but since you're not confident, you don't have enough experience maybe in fully solving that problem, that can lead to a sort of a disaster situation for you. Instead, now you have that input, figure out what solution you can package through your existing products and services, or maybe adding a few new elements and solve that problem better. So once you have the confidence, once you have all the tools in place, then you can start going and attacking that problem. But figure out that core one thing, the what that you can solve for your marketplace. The third thing about lead generation is to be very clear on where is your target audience, where is your target customer, where are your prospects, where are they online, where are they offline, where do they hang out online, where do they hang out offline, where do they take their business intake from, input from, and where do they consume their, let's say, lifestyle data from, what are their likes and dislikes. It's about understanding where they hang out in the business world, in the personal world, in the relationships world, so that you can actually go to those places and connect with them. Now, thanks to the pandemic, everybody is online, so it's a matter of getting online and trying to figure out where are those people, so that each time you don't have to keep hunting around to generate leads. You know the specific place you will go to, and you know exactly who you're looking for and what problem you're going to solve for that. So I hope you found this useful. Please like, share, comment, and happy to chat with you if you're interested in talking about finding your rich lead flow. All right, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for tuning in.